Namaskar friends. Let's learn something important today about excellence. Excellence is not just a skill, it is an attitude we bring about in our life. And attitude is a reflection of your character. And character is a product of your daily habits. Therefore, when a person exhibits excellence in a particular field of activity or in general there is excellence in their living, let's understand it's an attitude they brought about in their life. An attitude is shaped by your character. And as I mentioned, character is a product of your habits, your daily habits. Let's understand attitude. Attitude is something which we have internally. Attitude means without changing anything external, with a slight change in the way I think, I feel, I act, I make my choices, everything about my life improves, becomes better. That's the right attitude we seem to have. So, attitude is a product of your character. That's why I always say, talent takes you up to a point. It's your character which keeps you there at the top. Talent takes you up to a point. It's character which keeps you there. And character is developed by your daily habits. And the better daily habits you portray, the better is the quality of our life. They say we first make our habits and our habits makes us. We first make our habits and our habits makes us. The secret of a great future, an abundant life lies in our daily habits. Therefore, let's develop this discipline which creates the daily habits. And for you to develop discipline, you need to be inspired by something. You should be inspired or motivated by certain important aspects of our life. Therefore, when you are inspired, motivated, it will reflect in your daily habits, and your daily habits shapes your character, and the character builds your attitude, and attitude will manifest as excellence in life. The excellence should become effortless. Initially there's a lot of effort, but once you develop that excellence in anything, it is effortless. You see it in sports, you see it in music, you see it in writing, you see it in workshops. Excellence is a possibility for each one of us. And all that I'm saying is, think about it. Think about it. Can we bring about excellence in our life? For you to bring about excellence in your life, you need to have the right attitude. For you to have the right attitude, you have to build on your character. For you to build on your character, you need to have the right daily habits. And for daily habits to be sustained, you need to be inspired, motivated in life. Let's develop this beautiful quality, a refined way of living in the form of excellence. Best wishes to one and all. Thank you. Friends, if you like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Let more people get benefited. We have over 100 short videos meant for self-development, spiritual alignment. And you can also subscribe to our channel, spread this word around, let more people get benefited. Let's do this service to humanity. Let us make people experience happiness, and let us help people live their life in a better way, in a glorious way. Thank you.